Can you think of any Wisconsin animals that would be easily equipped for a coronavirus pandemic? The animal must stay out of crowded forests, like to stay at home alone, and ideally wear some sort of mask. I'll give you a hint. The animal that comes to my mind is our state animal, the badger. While most people think of Bucky Badger, who likes roaring crowds, the jump around song, and football, I tend to think that the American badgers are better equipped to survive a pandemic. Unlike us social human beings and Bucky Badger, American badgers have the social distancing thing down to a science. Aside from a short mating season or raising young, these animals quarantine themselves for the rest of the year. They spend long hours sleeping or tunneling underground alone. This makes them a solitary animal. They also avoid crowded forests by being nocturnal or being active at night. Fun fact, our state adopted the badger to be our state animal due to our rich history of tunneling underground and the badger's ability to tunnel underground. Some say it's lonely at the top, but these predators at the top of the food chain don't mind at all. In fact, this is an adaptation many predators use to survive. It is far easier to feed yourself when it takes so much energy to catch one meal at a time. Badgers use a lot of energy to tunnel after squirrels, mice, and gophers. Being alone means that every hard earned meal is theirs to keep. Badgers also don't have to worry about their supply running out if there are not as many predators around. This white and black animal also thinks ahead and stores food underground for later. How cool is that? This is similar to how some families have stockpiled food or even toilet paper in case they had to quarantine or not leave their homes. Another adaptation these animals have is mask like markings. While these masks don't cover their nose to keep out viruses, these black and white markings were adapted as a way for them to scare off other predators. They also have these as an adaptation because they are closely related to skunks. Thanks for tuning in to this week's Mystery Science. It's so cool to see how we have copied some of nature's awesome adaptations to help ourselves. See you next time.